Lately, I've been noticing a surge in anime-style reels going viral on social media, racking up millions of views. With their eye-catching visuals and seamless transitions, these videos are incredibly engaging and fun to watch and share. Seeing their popularity, I started experimenting with different tools and techniques to create these anime-style reels from scratch. After weeks of trial and error, I discovered an amazing way to make them using free tools. And the results look just as impressive as the trending ones. The best part? It's completely copyright safe. Since you're creating your own unique animations, your content will stand out even more. Get started. Step 1. Create an anime image. To get started, click the link in the description, which will take you to this tool. Click on Get Started and sign in using your Google account. Now, select Image Creation, head to the presets, and choose Anime. Next, select the aspect ratio for your image. I'll pick this mobile one from More option, since it's perfect for Instagram Reels. Now describe the image you want to generate. For example, I'll enter anime character with cloudy background. Click the Generate button, and the tool will provide several options to choose from. Select the one you like best. Now, these images might look a bit generic at first, but what if you want something with more specific details? For that, we need a well-structured prompt. Let me show you a quick way to generate one using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT by clicking the link in the description and copy the provided prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT and hit enter. The AI will ask for a few basic details about your image and generate a refined prompt for you. Once done, use this new prompt to create a more detailed and visually striking image. So I am writing here that I want a character with side pose, thinking with cloudy background. Now copy this enhanced prompt given by AI and post in Leonardo and wait for creation. See, the quality has significantly improved. I'll choose this image and download it by clicking here. Once you have your anime image, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Convert the image into a video. Now, we need to bring our image to life by transforming it into a video. Click the link in the description to access the tool that will help you animate your image. Sign in with your Google account, then click Create. Select the Image to Video tab, upload your image, and hit Convert. Within moments, your static image will be transformed into a stunning motion video. Once it's ready, click Download to save it to your computer. Now that we have our animated video, it's time to add the next key element, background music. Step 3. Create background music. To make our reel even more immersive, we'll create a custom soundtrack. Click the link in the description to access the music creation tool. Sign in with your Google account. Now, remember the prompt we generated using ChatGPT earlier? Let's copy that and paste it here to create a background track that matches our video's mood. Hit Create, and the tool will generate 2 different music tracks. You can preview them and select the one that fits best. Once you're happy with your choice, click the 3 dots, select Download, and save the file in MP3 format. Now that we have all the necessary elements, let's bring them together. Step 4. Edit and finalize the reel. It's time to assemble everything and create our anime-style reel. Click the link in the description to access the online editing tool. Click Try for free and sign in with your Google account. Then click Create a new video. Import your video and audio files by clicking Import Media. Once uploaded, drag them onto the timeline. Trim any unwanted parts by positioning the playhead, clicking the scissors icon, and deleting the excess. Once you're happy with the final edit, click Export, select the desired video quality, and download your finished reel. And there you have it, your very own AI-generated anime reel. Upload it to social media and watch it grab attention. So go ahead and give it a try. With a little creativity, you might just become the next trendsetter in the anime world. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Mohsin Digital House. As you can